So we're on the right side of the engine bay. Once you get your hood open, you're gonna come right over here. There's a couple Torx. You're gonna go ahead and remove those, and then there's this hose right here. You're gonna go ahead and get that out of the way, and then we'll peel this up. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this hose off to start. Be careful you don't drop it all the way down or it'll be gone. Perfect. Now let's move on to the Torx. So now that we got the hose out of the way, there are 3 T25 Torx we're gonna take off so we can get this guy up. And you only need to take off these 3, you don't need to take off any more unless you really want to, but we should be good with just these 3. So we got all those Torx out now, and we're gonna go ahead and lift up on this. And there's your filter. It just pops right down there, sits in there and clips right in. Mine wasn't clipped in, but you can see just how nasty this thing is. Let me take you guys over into the light. And look at that. This is what you don't want to see in your air filter. Look at that. I bought this car about 5 months ago. This thing is nasty. So let's get the new one in. So here's the new cabin filter. Part number CAF 1716. And just for to compare them, here's the old one. That's the new one. I don't even think I needed to tell you guys that, but look at that. Definitely time to replace this one. And we're simply just gonna lift it up. Make sure those back 2 little prongs go in there and push it down there. And then this sometimes will mess you up, how this is sitting, but I'll show you how to fix that. So if you're trying to get your cowl back in after you install your new air filter and it just won't go, back here, you just need to push that little lip up in there. Make sure your seal's on. And there you go. Just bolt it on down and you are all set. Now you can go ahead and get these T25 Torx bolted down, get your hose back on, and run that AC, and it should smell way better than it did before.